Dinner is ready, everyone.
Yummy! It's spaghetti!
How was school today, kids?
It was good, Dad. Dad, look, the sky is dark.
A big storm is coming. Weather alert says big storm tonight.
Should we be worried? Let's stay inside tonight, okay?
Okay, Mom. That thunder was loud.
It's okay, buddy. We're safe inside.
I don't like storms, Dad.
We're all together. That's what matters.
Can we watch a movie?
Sure. Pick a good one.
The lights are flickering.
The storm is getting stronger.
The power! I'm scared. I can't see. Me too. Where's Mom?
Everyone stay calm. Don't move yet. Stay where you are.
I'll find the flashlights. I know where they are.
I can't see anything at all.
Right here, sweetie.
What if monsters come in the dark?
There are no monsters, Tom. It's just dark.
Found it. Yay!
Good job, Amy. Everyone stay together here.
We're scared.
Here's another flashlight.
I found the candles. And matches too.
I'm still scared. Me too. It's so dark outside.
Look, 2 more flashlights.
Can I hold one?
Let's put candles on the table.
Pretty.
Watch carefully. Fire is beautiful but hot.
We'll be careful. It's not so dark now.
See? We have light.
What do we do now?
We can still have fun.
No TV, no phones, just us.
But what will we do?
Want to see shadow puppets?
What's that?
Look, a dog.
It is a dog. How did you do that? I want to try.
Put your hands like this.
Mine looks like a monster.
This is actually really fun.
I'm not scared anymore.
Who can make the best shadow?
Me.
Want to play a card game?
Yes, I know Go Fish. Do you have any threes? Go Fish.
I won.
No fair. Let's play again.
They're having so much fun.
Sometimes no power is a good thing.
Can we tell scary stories? No, not scary. Happy stories.
I'll tell a funny story instead. Once there was a silly dog, and the dog wore a hat.
I want to tell a story too.
Go ahead, sweetie.
This is the best night ever. Really? Even with no power? We should do this more often.
Even when we have power?
Yes. The power is back.
Yay, the storm must be over.
Can we keep the candles lit?
It is more cozy, isn't it?
The rain stopped.
The stars are coming out.
Should we turn the TV back on?
No, let's keep playing.
They want to keep playing together.
No screens beat family time.
Let's turn some lights off. And keep the candles.
We had fun without power, didn't we?
Yes. I wasn't scared at the end. Me neither. We were together.
This was a special night.
We'll always remember it.
Dad, I learned something tonight.
What's that, sweetie?
Scary things aren't so scary with family. I was really scared at first
But you were brave.
because we were all together.
We don't need TV or phones to have fun.
We just need each other.
Family time is the best.
Time for bed, everyone.
Can we do this again sometime?
We can have family game nights anytime.
What's that sound? Is someone crying? That sounds like Mom. Gasp. Should I go in? Mom looks so sad. Mom?
Lily! Sweetie, what are you doing up?
Mom, why are you crying?
I'm okay, sweetie. Go back to bed.
But you're not okay. Please tell me what's wrong, Mom.
It's grown-up stuff, honey.
I'm big enough to understand.
Okay. Money is tight this month.
What does that mean?
We have bills to pay, but not enough money right now.
Is that why you are crying?
Yes, sweetie. I'm worried.
I didn't know parents got scared.
We do. We're human too. I'm sorry you saw me like this.
It's okay to cry, Mom. Can I help?
That's sweet, but
I have money in my piggy bank.
oh, sweetie, thank you. But you keep your money.
Should I wake up Dad?
Yes, I think I need him.
Dad needs to know. Dad, wake up!
Lily, what's wrong?
Mom is crying in the kitchen.
What? Amy, what's wrong?
I'm sorry. I didn't want to worry you.
We're a team, Amy. Talk to me.
Why is everyone awake? Mom, are you sad? Mom is worried about money. How can you? You're not failing. You're the best mom.
We'll figure this out together.
I feel like I'm failing you all.
We don't need expensive things. Yeah, we just need each other.
Let's look at these bills together.
Okay.
We can cut some expenses. I'll look for extra work.
Thank you all for being here. We're family.
Let's make a budget together.
As a family?
We can stop eating out. I can help cook.
You'd really cook with me?
Yes, I want to help. Can we cancel my dance class?
No, sweetie. We'll make it work.
We'll spend less on extras, but keep the important things.
Can we still have family game nights? Always, those are free. Money can't buy family time.
That's right.
This actually looks manageable.
We'll get through this.
We're a team! The best team ever.
I'm sorry you had to see me like this.
I'm glad I did, Mom. Can I help with breakfast? Sure, you can scramble eggs. I'll set the table.
Thank you, sweetheart.
This is delicious.
I made the eggs.
This is delicious.
I made the eggs. I'm picking up toys. I'm helping too.
Let's make dinner together.
Yes! What are we making?
This is the best meal ever.
We made it together.
Can we play board games instead of TV?
You kids are amazing.
This family is amazing.
Things will be okay.
We have everything we need.
Mom, I learned something important.
What's that, sweetie?
Parents are people too.
Yes, we have feelings and problems.
And that's okay. We help each other.
Thank you for being there for me. That's what families do.
I love you so, Mom.
We saved money this week!
Yay, teamwork!